The Industrial Revolution did not only bring technological progress and a rapid increase in labor productivity and income, it also brought changes to every aspect of how we live. More specifically, it changed the way we think about work, healthcare, children, and leisure. People started changing their behavior due to the mass increase in income of a large share of the population. So, our main goal today will be to shed light on this change in behavior. Before we understand the changes in people's choices, however, we first need to think about how people make those choices. This will be the first question today. In addition, we'll see that whenever you're making a certain choice, you're foregoing the benefit of something else. In other words, every choice you make presents you with a trade-off. We will address how people think when faced with those trade-offs. Finally, when we have our model predictions, we'll go back to the data. We will see that what we have learned this week can explain one of the most interesting changes in the way we live over the last 100 years. The fact that we drastically reduced the number of hours we work and we have started enjoying much more leisure than before. We take this change for granted today, but we must acknowledge that it has happened only in the last century as a result of the massive increase in income per capita since the Industrial Revolution. Before we understand those changes, we need to build a static model of work, leisure, and decision making at the individual level. This is what comes next, so keep watching.